I think we might be catching the start of something big on this one. TerraMine is a brand new app that you can find on Google Play and the Apple App Store that plays a lot like Atlas Earth, but it has some major differences. And like Atlas Earth, it has a currency called TB or TerraBucks that allow you to buy acres of land. Each of these squares represent 1 acre. And when you buy an acre, you have a chance to get 4 different types of properties. The rock is a 60% chance, coal's 30%, gold is 9%, and diamond is 1. These aren't official stats, but I did run this by the creator, and he made it seem like I was at least close to correct. So let me give you a demonstration of how to purchase a plot. So you have to be within a 2 square proximity of where you're at. So I'm going to grab this one on the left side here and hit purchase. And I got a rock. Unfortunately, I hit the 60%. So there's definitely some luck involved. And you can see with the rock miner, I have it based on day, month, and year. And it'll give you about 3.4 cents a year without a boost. But if you keep the boost active, it turns into 69 cents a year. And you're going to have way more than one of these. So the whole point of it is to stack as many as you can and keep your boost active once you get a good amount of plots. And if you head to your profile, it breaks this down really easily. So my 19 rock mines are earning me about 5 cents a month unboosted, coal mines about 4, and gold mines about 2. Which definitely doesn't sound like a lot, but it's not boosted, and this is just the beginning. I plan on stacking this for a while, and it will add up over time. And one of the major differences with this compared to Atlas Earth is with Atlas Earth, you'd hit a certain amount of plots or acres. So you were kind of pigeonholed to stay at the maximum amount. This one, you just keep stacking and stacking and growing and growing. And one of my favorite parts about this is if I go somewhere, like a sporting event, a concert, just somewhere that's cool, I like buying an acre or a plot, whatever they want to call it, these apps. And I enjoy that. If I go back there, I can see what I bought, I can buy some more. And with Atlas Earth, I was doing that, but once I hit 150, I stopped. I haven't bought a plot in a long time. With this, I plan to buy one as much as I can. Now, one thing I do want to point out, and this is very, very early, is that withdrawals are not officially live, but they should be coming soon, and as soon as they are, that'll be a part of my full review. This is a very early review. I've only had the app for a few weeks, and that'll be included. And actually getting your TerraBucks or TB, this is where this really stands out compared to Atlas Earth. There are no purchase options. You have to get your TB in-game, and there are some really easy ways to do this. I'll show it off real quick. And the easiest way to earn TerraBucks, in my opinion, is checking into other people's mines. So first things first, let's click the boost button. So you can see when you have a boost, you get 2 times the rewards from checking in. And you can see you get 4 free boosts just for clicking the button. Let's do that real quick. Click that button. 30 more minutes, and check-in rewards are also times 2. But once those run out, you can also watch ads. There are some rules for that, which I'll break down in the full review. But I know you can stack up to 8 hours at a time. And once this gets higher, once I get a lot of plots, once you get a lot of plots, that'll be pretty significant in my opinion. So let me just give you an example. I had my best friend come over the other day, and he bought a bunch of plots. So you can see the orange ones there. The yellow, black, and gray ones are mine. So I boosted up. You get 30 minutes of 2% rewards. Clicked OK. I clicked check-in. If you leave a message, you get an extra 2 TB. So I just put, video. Click check-in. Has to load for a second. Give it a few seconds. And there it is, 10 TB. And my friend received 1 TB for doing absolutely nothing but having the plot there. And also, you can take a picture. You'll earn even more. So let me give you a little quick example. It's going to be the same thing. I'm just going to type in pictures, kind of, just for the video. Click take picture. There's my backyard. Took a quick picture. It's going to have you crop it. Takes a couple seconds, no big deal. And this will actually go into their visitors log. So I'm hit submit. Takes a few seconds to load. And that one actually gave me a streak bonus. So I earned 24 TB just for taking that picture and checking into my friend's mine. So I wanted to keep this rolling. I wanted to see what the streak got to. So 5 gave me 35 TB and 10 gave me 60 TB. So these alone allowed me to buy a whole new mine, all for free. So obviously the basic trick is to have a friend play this with you. Make sure they have a few plots at your house so you can check in daily and get your free TB. At least 3, maybe 5, maybe 10. But do be aware that when you do buy a plot or check in, it's going to give you a 5-minute timer, and you can get rid of that 5-minute timer by watching an ad. That's completely up to you. But considering this company makes their money off of ads and have no purchase options, I don't mind watching an ad for them every once in a while at least. So the second way to get TB, which is the slower, but it also has an added benefit. If you go back to your profile and go to your properties, you can click on your each individual miner. So let's go to just random rock mine, it's level 1. So if you scroll down and you click conveyor belt, you just click start conveyor, gives you some materials to upgrade your mine. This increases its production value, and you saw it gave you a 2 TB bonus, but that's completely random. So the next thing is the mine entrance. This has you play a memory game, and once you complete it, gives you some rewards, gives you a lot more than the conveyor, but it's also a little bit more of a process. I try to get it done as fast as possible, and we'll just skip ahead. So out of 6 out of 6, and you see I get 1 TB and some more of those materials to upgrade. And once you have your materials, head to the upgrade office, you'll watch an ad and it'll give you a 1% production bonus. So after watching the ad, I'm going to click upgrade to level 2, confirm, and you can see a 1% production upgrade to my rock mine is now level 2. The next one's the coal conveyor. That's the next level. The conveyor itself doesn't get you as much, but the game is the best between the 3 I have so far. So if you enter the mine, you can see there's multiple hazards. It's a little bit like a maze game. There's power-ups. I don't really use those, but I've only done it on easy. And I try to do this as fast as possible. My tip is when you do this, if you do it on a phone, turn your brightness up. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to see the walls. And honestly, this does look like it takes a while. And I don't want to say you're probably not going to be able to do it as much faster than this. I think I got pretty lucky on the map, but you're just going to kind of go left and right, up and down. There's a little mini map on the bottom right. You can see it was almost like the old Legend of Zelda games where you can see the map is unlocked. And once you've unlocked it, and there it is. It took me 28 steps, but it earned me 15 TB, which wasn't too bad in my opinion, pretty quick. But what from I've heard, the caveat to this is you aren't going to be able to actually upgrade your mine to level 2 until you've gotten this game to level 4 because it doesn't give you the final upgrade material. So it is what it is. But still, this is definitely the game to play just to earn TB for minigames. And just to quickly show you the materials I need, you can see I have way more than I need for anything else, but none of the diamond coal. It is what it is, but I'll get it eventually. So last is gold, and you would think this is the best one. Well, it's really easy, but it doesn't give you quite the same rewards as the coal miner, and I'll show you. I get this game done in about 10 seconds. 2 TB bonus just for doing the conveyor, which is, really easy, just a couple clicks. Click into the mine, and it's just, not a slide puzzle, but you just kind of rotate the angles. This, like I said, it took me about 10 seconds, and we'll see the rewards when it comes up. So 400 experience for this game. It takes 1,000 for it to level up. You'll get better rewards, a quick 2 TB, and a bunch of materials. So let's head to the upgrade office for the gold reward. But first, I actually wanted to show you the difference when you upgrade a gold mine. You can see that I'm earning at this point was 10.43 cents per month. And after watching the ad, click OK. Same thing as before. Upgrade to level 2, click upgrade, give it a couple seconds, and then it'll upgrade. My mine will be level 2 with a 1% production bonus. And after the upgrade, I'm at 10.44. So it'll only gain 1/100th of a cent per month. Not especially worth it, but if you consider the boost and you upgrade a whole bunch of these, it could theoretically be worth your time. It also depends on if you're somebody who can travel all over or if you have a bunch of TB. This is a way to upgrade your plots as well as gain some TB. If you don't have ways to check in, this could be your only option. But like I said, there's no way to purchase TB, so you want to get it any way you can. And according to the developer, there are going to be other ways they're going to monetize this, but I'll actually go over that when that goes live. I don't want to speculate on anything and give false information. And like I said before, I haven't pulled a diamond mine yet. I have a 1% chance. I have quite a bit of TB, so I think I'll eventually get that, but that'll be included with the withdrawal and the full review. So part of the fun for me is to go random places and to buy acres. I work as a service plumber. I'm all over the place. I'm in restaurants, I'm at people's houses, I'm in businesses. I've worked construction at big buildings. I do a little bit of everything. So when I go to these places, I'm going to buy a plot, maybe even take a picture. And when I do my full review, I'll show a few of those things off. And what makes this unique to me, in my opinion, is say I go out with my significant other or a friend and we go somewhere. I play a lot of basketball. So say we go to the basketball court and we take a picture together. I can look at that picture in the app and it'll be there. We can go again. Maybe I go with them and I haven't played with them for years. I can still go to that place, see that little plot, and see that picture we took. To me, that's kind of cool. Or say you go on a vacation with your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, etc., etc. You know, having this little like extra little scrapbook out there, I kind of like that. I'm a sentimental person, so I'll be able to go and look at that and it'll bring me some joy. And say this blows up and you have a lot of plots in a lot of random places. I think it'll be fun to look into your visitor book and see who's checked in. You'll see when TerraBucks come in and it might be something fun to see. And if you see somebody else's mine, you can always give them something to laugh at. I'm pretty sure I will. But anyways, as far as the creator, he's in Discord and he has a Facebook group. This is in the app. So you can click one of these if you want to talk to him. He seems pretty straightforward at responding to people's questions, and he seems like the kind of guy you want to see succeed. And as you can see, if you use my referral code, you'll gain an extra 1,000 TerraBucks. You start with 1,000 just for having the app. This will have you at 2,000. That's 20 free plots. That'll help these videos get out quicker. Great way to support the channel without costing you anything. So there are a couple more features in the app that I'll include in the full review, but this should be a good starting point for you to get going. So let me know what you think. Do you think TerraMine has a good future, or do you see any issues with this? Let me know in the comments. I, for one, am definitely excited to see where this goes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best crypto, Bitcoin, and in this case, money-making apps, and break them down as well as I can. And if you are in the Bitcoin or crypto game, I have an affiliate sponsorship with Tangem, the crypto cold storage wallet. You'll save 10% if you use my referral. Supports the channel and is greatly, greatly appreciated. And if you don't need a cold storage wallet, but do find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You'll get these videos out a little bit earlier. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these kind of apps, so these videos are completely unbiased. And when you do buy a membership, it really does make my day, and it's greatly, greatly appreciated. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.